Today, I talk about spoken-based language exchange for three topics with the AI using voice typing. Okay. Three topics for spoken-based language exchange with AI. When we do online language exchange, we need to focus on speaking without text possibly. Even though we focus on speaking, we can prepare using AI lots of text. When we try to set up the topics at the same time, when we do online language exchange, we cannot choose, we hardly choose the topic. So, and then we can prepare with the help of AI, and then we can make with the level of language partners, and then we try to choose 20 topics for doing online language exchange or to conversation, and then an AI can give a report about it. I'll show you how can AI give the topics using AI. This is AI. I use it from my voice. Give me 10 topics for language exchange for the conversation, the easy topics for beginner level. And then I can get a prompt engineering. And then there's a translated directly in Korean, but it doesn't matter. And then I get, and then it gives me 10 and 10 self-interesting greeting and the number and time family. So, and then we can talk about these topics. Now get back to my code. So we can choose the topics by the levels with help of AI. AI is very good tools. And then we can, after we doing the speaking session, we can get the report from AI as well. By doing that, and we can do studies doing by ourselves after doing online language exchange. Doing online language exchange is a good opportunity to speak each other. And also, I have one suggestion more. When we do send the message, and then voice message is very important at the beginner's level. And when we jump on the beginner's level, when we can listen and when we can speak and when we can understand what the language partners can talk about. Then we can jump on the intermediate level at the moment, and then we can use the text, and it's okay. But for the beginner level, we should we should try to understand, and we should try to listen and speak naturally with the language partners, helpful language partners. So, and then we can help each other by sending messages. For example, there is some way. Then first, at the moment of doing online language exchange, we are deeply spoken-based language exchange is very important. If possible, only spoken-based is recommendable for 40 minutes and then 20 minutes for language partners, 20 minutes for me, for myself. And then and focus on that. And then for the um, going to the intermediate levels. I said about the beginner level, it means beginner level means just like children, and then we can listen and we can speak. That is the beginner level. And then also we should know about many vocabulary, and then so to study by ourselves, and then we should know how to build vocabulary. That is very important part, because without building vocabulary, and then it's hard to communicate. Even though we can listen to language partners, we don't understand what they are talking. Then The point is the building vocabulary, but building vocabulary is possible to study by ourselves. Okay, so and there's one way to the spoken-based language exchanging and sending message with the voice with the help of the Google Translator. Google Translator can help because the Google Translator give us the speak and then we can try to what we try to send messaging, and then we translate them, and then we can listen. After then, we repeat the with the send message like the Facebook give the Facebook message give the voice messaging as well. So and then I recommend the Facebook is a good platform to do online language exchange because when we open the June class, we should give the link for them. Then and we can communicate with each other. There's a tool, and then the messaging, voice messaging, and also make shorts. Making shorts is a very unique and impressive way because we use the mobile phone every day. So when we all leave where some we try to thinking about and oh, this is very impressive for my language partners. And then I would like to talk about it. And then and you can film less 1 minute. And then you can show yourself, it's okay. You cannot show yourself, it's okay. You just make videos about the flowers in your garden. You can make a flower, you can make trees. You can make the park, and then you can make anything then. But one thing important is you need to talk too much. You need to speak fast for your language partners in your own languages. Then your language partners can study with your shorts. Your language partners can study your shorts. And also, if you are not good at speaking, and then uh, if you are not good at speaking, if you are not good at speaking, you can decide to what to make a film. After then, and then you can, with the help of AI, you can make a script. So by doing that, and then you can make a film. Like you think about the cop. Then how can we use the cop? What for the tools, and then you can ask AI. AI give the script for 1 minute, and then you can in detail, and then you can read that script for the film. Then and you can make it short. Then it's a very easy way to make content. It's better way make the content. It's better way to make the content. It's very easy and to make content about one film and then one video short and then less than 1 minute. We do 1 minute shorts and then we can study, improve listening skill as well. By improving listening skill, we can improving pronunciation as well. Then we can do that. So today I talk about how can we make 3 topics for the online language exchange with the AI, with the help of AI, um, and then spoken-based online language exchange. So and also the topic is important for the spoken-based online language exchange, and also the well for the voice message is also important, and also the making shorts. And then the three are enhance us to improve spoken-based speaking and listening. Okay. Then I go for with this and AI. And I can proofread about these contents. I do a Korean and English to get build vocabulary, the Vietnamese, my target language. After then, I talked with the Vietnamese. There you go. I can get group leading contents about what I talk is successfully, and AI gives the contents, and then I use this for the summary. Mm, Right. Based on your message, I would carefully read and structure your idea into clear professional English with a leading organization. To help you explain or set up a spoken-based language exchange using AI, I've also included three example topics at the end of the practical use. Spoken-based language exchange with AI, a strategy for natural speaking practice online. Why spoken-based exchange matter? Online language exchange is a great opportunity to improve speaking and listening skills. However, many learners still rely too much on texting during session. To truly speak a language, we must speak aloud, ideally with a minimum on typing. That's where spoken-based exchange comes in. 20 minutes for you to speak, 20 minutes for your partner, only use voice, no texting unless necessarily, and focus on natural conversation, pronunciation, and understanding. And then how AI supports spoken based. Even though our goal is real-time spoken communication, AI can help us prepare before and reflect after each session. Before the session, use AI to choose the general conversation topic, prepare vocabulary list, and the sample sentences. Level adjust topics for beginner, intermediate, advanced learner. During the session, focus on your speaking and listening. Avoid distracting like typing. Use tools like Google Doc, voice typing, or the voice message to support real-time communication. After the session, use AI to summarize or analyze your conversation, and then get feedback on grammar and vocabulary from the session. Track your progress and learn from mistakes. And for beginners, start with voice message. When learners are at a low level, it's hard to speak in real time. So we recommend sending voice message instead of text. And then use Google Translate and voice. Write your message in your native language, translate target language, listen to the pronunciation, record your own voice sending the same message, send it to your partner as a voice message. In this train, your ear, mouth, and memory at the same time to build vocabulary with the AI. You can't speak if you don't know the words. AI can help you and then generate useful vocabulary by topic, English, food, feelings, work, and create flashcard or short script. Practice pronunciation with reading or repetition tools. Make 1 minute speaking shorts. Use your phone to create a short 1 minute video about any topic, example, describe an object, a cup, plant, phone, show your room, or you walk outside and talk about your feeling today. Use AI to help generate a short script, help you correct grammar. So this vocabulary. Now, record yourself speaking and share it with your partner. These videos help improve your speaking competence. Review your own pronunciation, create natural motivation to speak more. I mean, this is not the target language, native language for your language partners. because to make your target language in your target language to make the shorts is very difficult and not successful until you go to the intermediate level. When you go to intermediate level, you can try to make it shorts. Yeah, because you have a good pronunciation, you can speak target language very well, but for the beginners, not enough. Three easy speaking topics, beginner to intermediate. Here are three simple topics you can prepare and talk about. My daily routine, beginner, and then talk about what time you wake up to, what you do during the day, and then when you go to sleep, AI can help you create a script, vocabulary list, or grammar tip, describe my favorite food, beginner and intermediate, describe also what it is, how it tastes, and how to cook it, and why you like it. Practice pronunciation using voice typing or voice messages. A place I want to visit, intermediate. Sure, you want to go, and what do you want to see or eat and why? Use AI to expand your ideas, make a short 1 minute speech. Summary, three main tools for better spoken exchange. Voice message practice, send spoken-based messages using Google Translate or AI tools. And spoken-based exchange, 40 minutes, real-time speaking only, 20 minutes per person. 1 minute shorts, make creative speaking videos for fun, competence, and learning. And then, okay, so finish.